Hey guys, it's Jill. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Today we are going to be venturing into a world that I've never ventured into. Actually, I have ventured into it before, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But maybe most of you have never ventured in before, and that is trying out the food at Dollar Tree. Now, I have personally tried their snacks and things like that, but I've never been keen on trying the things in their frozen section. And when I was there at the Dollar Tree, I noticed that they had steaks and pork loin. Obviously it was like cut and they were like really thin, but I was like, holy crap, you can really make a really inexpensive dinner, like on the low, for $1 a piece. I was like, and then I was like, let me go ahead and work on a 3-ingredient, $3 dinner that anyone can have and anyone can use, and you can use my experience on these things, and we're gonna kind of test them out, see what's good, see what's not, and go through, and I'm gonna give you guys some ideas on things that you can, especially in this time right now where, you know, maybe you've lost your job. My heart goes out to you if you have. We're just living in crazy times right now, so we're not all like able to spend money like we used to. So maybe we do need to go and drop our grocery budget. So going to the Dollar Tree is actually a way that you can do that, and I'm here to give you guys some ideas. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and let's go ahead. I have 4 dinner ideas for you guys, all 3 ingredients, all from the dollar store, all totaling $3 a piece, and these can feed between 2 to 4 people. And I'll kind of explain in each, when I make each meal, like the serving size and how I was able to divvy it up and how many people I was able to feed. So our first Dollar Tree dinner is going to be kind of like it is going to be an appetizer dinner. And there I picked up these mini pizza bagels. I also picked out these mozzarella sticks. And then also, because obviously it's not very healthy, so we need some veggies. So I picked up this steamable bag of green peas. So all I'm going to do is throw these into the air fryer, cook them up, throw that in the microwave. And not only do you only have a $3 dinner with 3 ingredients, crazy, but this is going to come together so incredibly quickly. And there's going to be like no cleanup because that goes in the microwave. These go in the air fryer. You just put them on plates and bam, you have dinner. So let's do this. So this says 4.5 minutes. So in the microwave, it goes for 4.5 minutes. Okay, so here is dinner. Like I said, I know it's not the healthiest, but, you know, it's also not like the most, it's not going to be the most filling, but I did want to show you, you actually can stretch this to feed 3 people. And if you absolutely needed to, you can have dinner and eat dinner for 4 people on a super, super low budget of $3 because, as you saw, We still have another serving of peas in the bag, and then you can just take, you know, divide up the mozzarella sticks a little bit more and the pizzas, and you will have, you know, another plate. So that is our dinner number one. I promise they're going to be better than just appetizers, but I did want to start this out with appetizers. And everything in this video, like I said, is going to be only $3. There's no additional ingredients needed, and it's all from the dollar store. So everything is $1 a piece. Mozzarella sticks and the pizza bites. Kids loved, like absolutely loved. They didn't notice the difference that the mozzarella sticks were only $1. They love mozzarella sticks and they eat them a lot. I just, as you saw, fried them up in the air fryer. The pizza bites, they've had those before, didn't know a difference. And I will tell you, I'm here to tell you, my son, he has this palate. I swear he's probably going to be a chef or like a food critic, because he has this palate unlike I've ever known with anyone before. He can taste when something is not name brand. He can taste when something is not right. He's so picky about textures and all this kind of stuff. And he was a happy camper with that dinner for sure. The one thing I will say was the vegetable was a little like, they really weren't crazy about it, and neither was I. I was like, yeah, these are like not the best. But I mean, it was actually a name brand. One thing I will say is from the Dollar Tree, you definitely want to check your expiration dates on the food, and that's really anywhere you go. So I feel that this meal was actually a huge success, especially in my kids' book. Today for our Dollar Tree dinners, we are going to be making ravioli. So excited. So we have this bag of cheese ravioli. I have this can of pasta sauce, and then I also have this container of Texas garlic toast. So we are just working on boiling this water, and once it boils, it's going to take 2 to 3 minutes. So this is another incredibly quick cooking meal as well. I'm just going to take this pasta sauce, pour it into this little pot back here, and I'm going to simmer this so it doesn't bubble over everywhere. Of course, you want to add some water. And put that on low so we can get that pasta sauce cooking. We're gonna wait on this to boil. We're gonna put our garlic bread in the oven once it preheats, and this is gonna come together incredibly quick. So here we go. This came together in, again, less than 20 minutes. And I was able to stretch it to 4 plates. Now, of course, if you have a bigger appetite, you can always add a side salad. But like I said, we are just working with Dollar Tree items, 3 ingredients, and $3 dinners. But I'm just trying to give you guys ideas on how to, you know, stretch a buck, make bigger dinners with still not breaking the bank. And again, we still have a good bit of sauce here, and we also still have 2 pieces of garlic bread left where you can make some grilled cheese, you can make some bruschetta, you can make some, you know, have this for your breakfast tomorrow morning. You can make pizzas. You can do so many things with these little leftover. Well, you couldn't do that with what I just said with the other things, but with the pizzas, you can totally use the extra sauce. And yeah, here you have 4 dinners for $3. The ravioli, sauce, and garlic bread, my kids devoured. That one actually went a long way, and you can, like I said in the video, kind of do something different with the extra garlic bread. You can double up and have 2. That was so good. Again, they did not notice a difference in the Dollar Tree ravioli versus ravioli that I would buy elsewhere. It was really good. The sauce, same thing. I mean, it was Hunt, so I mean, it was regular sauce. It was just from the Dollar Tree. And then the garlic bread, they absolutely loved. I kind of burned it a little bit. I've been doing that lately. Again, I've got to figure out my stove and my oven because it is not like my other one. It really isn't. But yeah, they truly, truly, truly enjoyed, and so did I, this meal. It was really, really delicious. And again, if you did not know all of those ingredients were from the Dollar Tree, you would never know for sure. Never know. All right, are you guys ready for tonight's Dollar Tree dinners? $3 dinner, 3 ingredients. Chicken tenders, a full bag of French fries. Like, what? For $1. This is actually 11 servings right here. This right here is saying it's 2.5 servings. Like I said, we're gonna try to stretch it as much as possible. I have also a veggie to make this a 3 ingredient dinner. So let's get to cooking. We're just gonna throw this in the air fryer and we're gonna put it in there for probably about 15 minutes on 400, and we're gonna then microwave up our veggies, and then we are going to be good to go.
I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do that?
So I moved the fries into here because they were just taking too long in the oven. So I was trying to stretch this to feed 3 people, but there was only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There was only 5 chicken tenders, and since there was only 5 chicken tenders, it was kind of hard to stretch it more than 2 people. But like I said, you've got a ton more fries. You still have a good bit of green beans, and yeah, chicken nuggets and fries. I mean, kids love chicken nuggets and fries. I was actually really surprised when I took the chicken nuggets out. Well, they were more like chicken tenders. They were like thick and they were like good. Like, I was like, oh, look at these. They tasted good. The fries were good. I still have some left over in the freezer. The vegetable was good. Those were the green beans. The green beans were definitely better than the peas. We'll say that. And yeah, it was, again, a huge hit with my kids. They requested more fries. They were like, can we have more fries? They loved them. So again, they did not have any kind of, this tastes cheap or anything like that. And again, my son is the best one to go to with that because he has that tongue that just like tests I would literally buy off-brand cereal. He will not eat it. He legit just has this palate that I've never seen anyone have before. So yeah, he was in love, and like I said, he's a really good tester. He was the best tester for this because he will pick up if something's not name brand or inexpensive in a heartbeat, and he didn't with this. Chicken nuggets and fries, I mean, come on. For our last Dollar Tree 3 ingredient dinner, we are going to be making these beef patties. They have cheddar and bacon flavor. We're going to be using some of this rice veggies, so basically rice cauliflower. Let's see, you can just put the unopened bag in the microwave. Nice. And then this bag of steamable mixed veggies. I'm actually going to cook these in the air fryer, but they give you instructions on the back on how you can do it in a frying pan or under the broiler. I'm just going to, because these are probably going to be really greasy, I'm actually going to do them in the frying pan. Yeah, but these are already cooked. These are already cooked. You just basically need to unfreeze them. So we're gonna go ahead and get all of this started. Throw this in the microwave, throw this in the microwave. And this is definitely more so for, you could do 4 people. These patties seem like they're pretty large, so you could cut them in half. But we are just going to be doing this for the kids tonight. So just 2 kids. They're gonna eat some of the veggies and then some of the rice cauliflower. Obviously, we're gonna have more of these 2 left over, so we can use these in different meals. Do you guys see this? The bag exploded in my microwave. Oh, man. On the side, right here. Well, now we've got a lovely mess to clean up. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna feed this to my kids. I'm really not. This is just disgusting. And when I went to flip it, I was like, why is this not, like, look at this. Oh, I'm not feeding my kids this. And then I was like, well, what's the ingredients? This can't be beef. And it just has, which obviously it was $1, but it just has a load of ingredients from beef hearts. What is that? A textured vegetable protein soy? Like, I'm not feeding this to the kids. All right, so that last meal, the cauliflower rice exploded in my microwave, which again, things like that happen. They've personally never happened to me before. I think it was just maybe the bag was really cheap. I don't know. That was a huge fail. Probably user error. But those hamburgers were... I was like, I'm not even gonna feed this to my dog. Like, I was not a fan. I don't know, I guess, what I was expecting. I definitely wasn't expecting it to like be like mush and smell the way that it smelled. It smelled awful. It was mushy. It was gross. It was not good. And I wouldn't recommend that at all. No, no sir. Ugh, yuck. The cauliflower rice exploded in the thing. I mean, I tasted it. It was good. And then I still did not even make the vegetables because we just ended up having something completely different. But yeah, I mean, that one was a complete fail. But the one thing that I will say throughout this whole video is that 3 out of 4 actually is not bad. Those 3 meals, again, those are staples that kids really truly love. Pasta, mozzarella sticks and bagel bites, and what was the other one? Oh, chicken nuggets and fries. Those are staples that all kids love, but you don't have to spend an arm and a leg. You don't have to go to McDonald's. You don't have to do all this stuff. You can literally go to the dollar store, and we tested it out. It was actually really good, surprisingly enough. If you guys want to see more of this, let me know. Like I said, I saw steaks, I saw pork loins. I was like looking, I was like, oh, I could come up with different meals. They had breakfast stuff. They had breakfast sandwiches. They had a breakfast sandwich that Ava got and actually ate that day when we came home. And it was delicious. She loved it so much. I also got them French toast sticks, which they ended up liking. Actually, they didn't. They were like the texture. They were too soggy in the inside. But I personally thought they were delicious. So again, go to your Dollar Tree, be creative. You can definitely feed at least 2 to 3 people with some of their meals. Some of them you can actually feed more on a $3 budget. And that's something that is like really incredible. And like I said, I recommend the three that I made and we loved. Like, it was really good. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up. If you like this video and want to see more Dollar Tree 3 ingredient, maybe 5 ingredient meal ideas, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so you're always notified of every single upload, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.